Hello everyone, today we are going to do an unboxing of ASUS TUF gaming laptop with RTX 2050 at Tirupati Computers, New Panvel. Let's open the box. Box size is big with decent packaging by ASUS. Wow, the laptop certainly appears to be of premium quality. Tough indeed, as implied by its name. The power adapter seems to be of decent quality. Let's connect it and switch on the laptop. It has a very smooth backlit keyboard, i5 11th Gen processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, RTX 2050 graphics card and 512GB NVMe SSD. With massive 17.3-inch Full HD display, it has a 3 USB 3.0 port, 1 USB Type-C port, HDMI port, 3.5mm audio jack and LAN port. And yes, it has a 720p webcam and anti-glare IPS level panel. And of course, you're gonna get 7.1 channels surround sound experience. As claimed by ASUS, this laptop has military grade toughness inside and out. It has pre-installed Windows 11 Home Edition. Cost is just 64,900. Also on this festival season, they are offering additional 5,000 rupees gifts. Please contact Tirupati Computer New Panvel for best offers on gaming laptops and PCs. Friends, please subscribe and comment what you wish to see in upcoming video. Till then, take good care for you and your loved ones.